first-party data become extremely important for us marketers. So how can you collect it? Hi, my name is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you a few ways how you can start collecting first-party data. So first of all, what is first-party data? It's data that you collect yourself on your resources. Typically, it's your website. So basically, it's like the minimum is email or phone number. And second, the typical is first and last name. So when you have an opt-in form, people leave their email as well as their name. So this is the basic. However, we encourage you, and right now it's a kind of new trend to collect more information that you need. However, don't go crazy, don't collect a lot of information. Collect information that you really need. So first, I'll start you with examples which we use in our business. We are email marketing agency. Let's say if you are e-commerce, some things might not apply to you, or they might, but later in this video, I'll show you also example how e-commerce brand do it. So we have a discovery call. So if somebody wants to schedule a call with us, they need to pick the time and date when they want to talk with us. But here's what's important. We are collecting on this form. Let's do this. Let's do time, confirm. We collecting name, email. What is the name of your company? Where's your store? It's very important for us. And also for a very long time, we could not attribute where people are coming from. So that's why we start asking, how did you find about us? And instead of just leaving the blank, type in, when you give people option, it's easier for them to pick, and it will not reduce your conversions as much. So here's a rule of thumb recommendation. Just collect important information, and if possible, just do yes or no. Maybe are you married? Yes or no, something like that. Or who are you, male, female, or something like that. So that way it's much easier and faster for them to respond. So this is example how we do it. When they book our call with us. This lead is more valuable for us, but also they are more motivated. So that's why we ask more questions. But on our regular opt-in, where we providing a lead magnet, we asking for first name, email, which line describes you best. So basically they need to define them, who they are. And also same thing, how did you hear about us? Because this thing for us is very important. So this is the second email, how we do it. By the way, on the lead magnets, you can do the same thing if you're e-commerce or any other brand. So now let's go to e-commerce brand and see how they do it. Mason Kitsune, it's apparel, a French apparel brand, streetwear. And as you can see, they collect email, first name, last name, birthday, gender, and I'm interested in. So basically they collecting a lot of information, which I do not recommend, but for this brand it's important, so that's why they do it. But for your brand, I would maybe collect birthday as well if you want, but it's not as crucial. But if you're selling, let's say, clothing, maybe you do care about their gender, because it will help you understand which email to send. Another great ways is to collect first-party data is quizzes. Either quizzes to help them figure out which product to buy from you, or quizzes maybe to get some kind of answer. One well-known brand for this is called Beer Brand. They use quizzes as an opt-in and also product selection. And in the process, they collect a lot of information about their customers, so it will help them market in the future. So as you can see, this is their website. Take a quiz. It redirects them to the page with type form, I believe, and you start the quiz. And you start answering the question, and then you need to leave them email. And that all information they sync with their Klaviyo account email marketing software, and they able to use that information to market to people, to send them better messages, to more relevant messages. And the last but not least is email preference page. In most cases, majority of brands, when you click unsubscribe or manage preferences, this is what you see. So this is what you see on unsubscribe, and here's if you do update preference, this is what you see. So you are able to update your email, first name and last name. How valuable it is? It's not. So it's not valuable. So what we do for our clients, and we recommend for you to do it, and if you want to learn how to do it, or you want to like us to do it, we have a landing page with this service called flowium.com/preference, where we develop this kind of pages, or we teach you how to create this kind of pages. So basically on this preference page, when person click unsubscribe or person click update preference, they will be redirected here, and it's additional way how you can collect first party data. So it's very important for you to implement. So here's where like my ways how we help our clients to collect first party data. If you have any other ideas, questions, please let me know under this video, and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you, and see you next Thursday. Bye.